Hi there, welcome to Sussex Campervans once again. It's Daniel here, and I'm up here in our client studio. I've got Paul with me, I've got Chris with me from our client team, and we wanted to make a video about finance, about how you can own a campervan. Lots of our customers have got the money to buy a campervan, but maybe it's tied up in property, or it might be tied up in savings plans or investments, and they don't necessarily want to liberate that right now, or they don't feel it's the best financial option for them. Other people as well like to spread the cost, and we're finding with a lot of our younger customers as well that they actually prefer planned payment structure rather than just paying for things in a lump sum. So if that sounds like you on any of those points, this video is for you. So Chris, give me an overview. How does the finance thing work then?
Sussex Campervans Finance is a very easy solution to borrowing money to pay for your campervan. It's a one-form application. That application form will give you a credit score. It will then tell you how much you can borrow over what period. The period can run from 1 year to 10 years, depending on the amount you wish to borrow. You can part exchange as part of your deposit, or you can put extra funds in to bring the amount down. The great thing with the interest rates as they are today is that the rates will not change for that entire time that you borrow the money. On the flip side to that though, if you have savings, as we all know at the moment, interest rates will rise. As they rise, your savings will rise. Your loan will never change. It will be the same amount over the same period from year 1 to year 10.
So what you're really talking about is certainty, that someone can get locked in, they just know. So for our long-term planners, to just know that's how much it's going to be, it's not going to change, that's all fixed.
It's totally fixed for the entire term.
Yeah, so that's appealing, isn't it? It's nice to be able to budget and to plan and say, okay, I know for the next 3 years or next 5 years or however many years it is, that's all fixed. So Paul, if I can turn to you, I mean, you're doing a lot of this too. How long does it typically take? If someone's been with us and they've either seen a stock campervan they'd like to buy or they've specified one, how long does it take to get an agreement that they can have the finance?
Well, it can actually be arranged in just a couple of days.
Okay, so it's pretty quick then.
So they complete the form, and then we will go off to arrange the finance. That could be with Santander, could be with Black Horse. The agreement comes in really, really quickly because it is simple. So usually in a couple of days we can have the finance in place and they can be ready to come do their handover, drive away.
You can trade in your car and drive away in a camper van with an affordable monthly payment. A lot of people don't know that actually. They don't know that you can trade in anything with wheels here at Sussex Campervans, a caravan, a campervan, any car, even a motorbike. We could possibly do a trade in on a bicycle. It's worth asking, isn't it? I mean, let's talk about a typical example. I mean, that vehicle of Sharon's that went out last week, that was a Nissan camper car, wasn't it? I believe there was some finance on that. And she had a part exchange as deposit as well, didn't she? What was that car she had?
Yeah, it was a Peugeot, I believe.
Yeah, and how long did that take to put together?
Just a couple of days to arrange the finance. Then she brought the car in as part exchange and we handed over.
You can hear some noises off. This is the workshop being busy downstairs. And do you know what her monthly payment is, Chris?
£320 a month.
Oh, is it? Oh, well remembered, $320 a month. Well, that sounds pretty affordable. Well, there you have it. You could be driving in what you've got and driving out in a campervan from us here at Sussex Campervans for an affordable amount of money. I think that's covered it really, hasn't it? If you've got any questions, do give us a call, because everyone's circumstances are different and we're not a one-size-fits-all kind of group of people here. You know, we love to do bespoke stuff, and that comes down to finance as well. Our funding partners have got a big panel as well. They're called Creative, and they're very good at working with someone's actual circumstances to get them into the campervan they want quickly and at a rate they can afford. 01403 336369. Paul might answer the phone, Chris might answer the phone, I might even answer the phone. We'd be glad to chat you through the options. You can email us as well, hello@sussexcampervans.com, and of course you must come and see us. Come and sit here up in the client studio, have a nice cappuccino, have a chat. Let's talk about how we can get you into the campervan that you and your family deserve, and soon. Speak soon.